Here's a 2015 Ford e-350. We installed this remote start alarm with quarter-mile pager, lock, unlock, full security. The alarm system on the vehicle now has a bullhorn siren and a blue LED scanner. The bullhorn and the scanner were on a previous alarm system, an old one that we took off. So we moved them to this new system. If the vehicle is hit or any of the doors are pried open, it will fire off the alarm system. I'm gonna get in here, unlock the door. There, the remote is showing us that the door has been opened. And for remote start, we push the start button one time. The remote whistles, engine cranks. We have all types of alarm systems available here at Innovative Car Sound. This is the system that was installed on this vehicle, 2015 Ford e-350. Come by the shop, check us out. We're open Monday to Saturday, 10 to 6, closed on Sunday. Here is the spare remote, lock, unlock, pop trunk for the cars, remote start. We can also shut it down by pushing the start button again. This one's all set and ready to go. We'll see you guys on the next one.